Welcome to codersclub.in. In this video, we will learn about the script tag. Script tag, it is used to define the client-side JavaScript. So this is the template. We have got HTML, and within that head section and body section. And within the head section, we have to write the script tag like this. Script opening tag and script closing tag. And within this, we have to write the JavaScript code. So let us take a practical example. I have opened Visual Studio Code. I have a file called as script.html. So this is the template. Template is ready. I'll have a button here now. Button on click equal to greet. Greet. So I'll get a button. On click, I want to call a JavaScript function called as greet. So I am going to write that function here. First, I will have a script tag. Within that, I will write a function called as greet. Greet. And within that, I'll write alert good morning. Good morning. So please note that this script tag has to be used within this head section here. And then we have to write the JavaScript code within the script tag. So I have an event handler here on click. So whenever I press this button, it calls this JavaScript function and it displays this alert box. Let us see how it is rendered on the browser. So we got a greet button. I'll click on this. So I'm getting a good morning alert box. Next. Now I want to have this greet function as an external JavaScript file. Okay. Then what is to be done? So I will take it out from here and I'll create a separate file called as greet.js. This is an external JavaScript. So I'll put it here. So I am writing my JavaScript in an external file called as greet.js. Now I will come back to this script.html. Now I want to link that greet.js to this HTML file. Okay, how to establish a relationship? Now script type is equal to text slash JavaScript, and then source src is equal to greet.js. So what is the meaning of this? Now this script tag is having two attributes, that is one is type attribute and then another is src attribute. Type you specify that text slash JavaScript, and then the source file is greet.js. So whenever this button is clicked, now it looks for this greet function in this external file called as greet.js. Let us see how it is rendered on the browser. So I got a greet button, click on this. So you are getting a good morning message. So this is how we have to use the script tag. Script tag has to be used within the head section. The syntax is like this. So in the first place, what we had done is we had not used this type and src. The JavaScript was written here only. That is called as internal JavaScript or embedded JavaScript. Now, if you write this JavaScript in an outside file, then it is called as an external JavaScript. Thank you.